Hey guys, so before the video starts, I actually want to taste test the Sprite cranberry because I never tried it before. And so yeah, this trend was like a couple years ago, but yeah, I never tried Sprite cranberry. So yeah, this is gonna be the first time I ever drink Sprite cranberry. So yeah, this video is, well, this scene is posted on Thursday, aka a video before I started, making the actual video. But yeah, I just wanted to taste this Sprite cranberry. So yeah, let's do that. All right, got it open. It smells like normal Sprite, but a little bit more fruity. Let's go. Damn. Okay. I honestly thought it was gonna be way worse. Like, I don't really drink that many sodas with flavors. I just drink the normal sodas. This is actually pretty good. I thought it was gonna be like heavily tasting like cranberry, but it actually tastes like normal Sprite with a little bit of hint of cranberry, a little bit of sweetness. Yeah, this is nice. This is actually pretty nice. I actually thought it was gonna be terrible. It's not. So yeah, enjoy the video. And yeah, Sprite cranberry is pretty good actually. So yeah, bye. Well, it's December, and I have no idea what to do. I mean, we're not even gonna decorate the house. Well, at least I think, because we're gonna be going outside the country during Christmas. So yeah, there's no fucking point of decorating the house. So yeah, that's why you guys are not gonna see the house decorated for Christmas, because SB54 is leaving the country for Christmas, aka on vacation. So yeah, we might make like videos that are gonna be posted during Christmas that were made a few days before Christmas. So yeah, expect that. So let's just I don't even know. Well, I guess I went to the store real quick to pick up some meme fuel. Shit. Some good old Sprite cranberry that is getting released in every December. Yeah. Alright, Sprite cranberry. Let's just give it a sip. Ah, shit. God damn it, my fingers, bro. Ow. Oh, it hurts. Oh, hell no. You're not escaping from my ass. What? Maybe shaking that up is not gonna work, because it's gonna explode. Time to open it. Well, I got messy. I gotta clean that up. I cannot believe we spent a couple minutes already into the episode, and I've already made a mess. I mean, it's not like this is a common thing, though. So, yeah. Stupid fucking Sprite. Okay. Now that the floor is pretty clean, time to drink some Sprite cranberry. Alright. That's actually pretty good. I like me some Sprite cranberry. Tastes good. Nice. What the fuck? Oh god damn it. Oh god damn it, I have hiccups. I can barely breathe. The amount of hiccups I get. I can breathe. I can breathe. Help me. Hiccups. Get all my breath. Time to lay down in my nice and comfy bed. What is that? Ooh, Sprite cranberry. That's actually pretty tasty. What the fuck? Cuphead? You good? You good? Cuphead! Are you awake? Cuphead? Okay, he's not breathing. I gotta take him to the hospital. AKA this room. Because we don't have a hospital set. Or any set to that matter. Because we're broke. So, doctor, is he gonna be okay? Shut your mouth, boy! Okay. Oh. Smells like shit in there. It's like absolute dog shit. Okay, now you can ask me if he's okay. Doctor, is he gonna be okay? Oh yeah, he's fine. Wait, really? Yeah, he just got a hiccup attack. A hiccup attack? What the hell is that? Well, it's like a heart attack, but with hiccups. It's not enough to be fatal, like a heart attack, but it does make you unconscious because of the lack of breath that you're taking in. Oh. Yeah, so he should be waking up in like 1, 2, 3. What happened? What? Why the hell am I at the hospital? Huh. So he was okay, after all. Yup, that's why I'm the doctor. Cool. Oh god. What the fuck? Oh god, he's having a hiccup attack again. Oh. How come I can breathe now? What? Oh, it's just normal hiccups, I guess. Is someone explaining to me what's going on? Well, at least he's not having a hiccup attack, but he has regular hiccups now. Huh. Okay, at least I'm not getting unconscious. That is so annoying. I can't stop it. That is kind of strange. Oh god. Oh god. What? Okay, he's unconscious now. And not because of the hiccups. Now let me get my tool. What the fuck is going on here? Yes, very interesting. So, what's wrong with him, doctor? He has the most two-dimensional mouth ever. I cannot figure out what's wrong with him. Well, yeah, that's gonna happen. We're plushes. Oh yeah, we're not puppets. Well, actually, I'm just joking. I know what he has. Oh, what does he have? Well, he has the Hiccups attack, but it's not the I fell over. It's not the fatal version. What you mean? Well, there's a difference between Hiccups attack and Hiccups attack fatal edition. Okay. So yeah, the Hiccups attack, it's just normal hiccups that, are gonna last forever. And you have to find a way to stop them if you want to stop them. Okay, so how long does the Hiccups attack last? For about like 2 or 3 months. What the fuck? Yeah, like about 2 or 3 months. That's why you don't want it. So yeah, most people actually try to think of stuff that can cure him, Okay. Yup. So since I'm not a doctor on that, I cannot prescribe you with anything that's gonna help him. I mean, at most, it's the strategies of getting rid of normal hiccups. But I don't know how you're gonna deal with this one. It's gonna be a lot harder than you think. Okay, I think we can handle it. I'm alive again. Fuck. Can you shut up? I try to look for remedies for hiccups attacks. God damn it! Shut the fuck up. Whatever. Google has no solutions. Well, there were a few techniques that my mom taught me of getting rid of hiccups. So I guess let's see if they work, okay? Come on. Alright, Cuphead, just stay here. I know a strategy that's gonna make you stop having hiccups, okay? Just wait here. Okay. I hate my life. I hate these hiccups. I hate it. I hate everything. I want to die. Sonic, I found what's gonna stop you from getting hiccups. What in the shit is that? Oh, it's just like a little alien. Well, it's actually a normal tennis ball, just painted to look like an alien. Yeah, this is what my mom used to use. I had this for like a couple of years. That it's been cracked. Like right there. Yeah, this is just scared me as a child, and I'm getting terrified. But just by holding it, I'm gonna have nightmares for weeks. Did it work? Yeah, by the looks of it, it did not work. Alright, well, I'm gonna look for another strategy and a fishing rod so I can fish you out of there because, yeah, we basically have no way of getting you back up here. Yeah, and we cannot reach, like, hold on a second.
Get back here, you son of a bitch. Oh, yeah. Come on.
So, yeah, we're gonna have to fish you out there. I'll be right back. Alright, so since the first method of scaring you didn't work, I'll try another method of scaring you. Alright? Just stay here, and I'll be right back. Just play the game, okay? Alright. God damn it. Alright. That's weird. I can barely move. I can only move the camera. Did it work? Oh, come on! What is this? A game for 9-year-olds? Okay, you shut your trap. Okay? This is a legendary game, okay? You don't disrespect the creator. Scott, you don't disrespect him like that, okay? Okay. I still didn't, it didn't help with my hiccups. Alright, let's find another way. Alright, Sonic, I'm ready. Give me your best shot. Oh, don't worry, I will.
5 reasons the Friday Night Funkin' vs. Sonic XD model was cancelled.
Oh, dare summon me. Oh, perfect. Living soul. Are you scared? In any sort of way? Come on! Every time that I do that to little kids, they always run away. What the fuck's your problem?
You really scared of little kids? No wonder I'm not scared of you.
Okay, that's insulting, okay? I'm an EXC. I am meant to be scary. That's just insulting, okay? Don't ever say that to me or else I'll actually kill you. Okay?
Alright.
Well, I didn't work. So you're gonna pay me like $20?
How did that not work? But yeah, here's your $20.
Thank you very much, good sir. Alright.
Alright, Mario. I understand that your aim has gotten better through time. You know, it's been a couple weeks, you know, since your first time learning your aim, you know. I just want to see if you're ready, okay? Okay, so what do I got to do? Alright, so this is an impossible shot. So, what you're gonna do is just take the bow and, you know, shoot the target that's way over there. You know? Shoot it blindfolded and backwards, not even forward. You have to hit it backwards, okay? That is literally impossible. I know. That's why no one in this world has achieved it. Okay? No one in the world, okay? If there is someone, then I don't care. There's no one in the world that has done this, okay? So yeah, if you pull this off, I'll give you the medal of 50-star annual trick shot, ball, arrow, target, shit. Yeah. So if you pull it off, I'll just give you this medal. And you're officially ready for the aim, okay? Okay. Alright, so line up, and let's see how you do, okay? Okay. Okay, Supersonic, am I backwards? Yup, you're backwards. All you have to do is just shoot the bow at the target, and then you make it. Supersonic, how am I supposed to hit an arrow backwards and expect it to do like a 360 to the target? That's literally impossible. First of all, it's like 80 degrees. Thank you very much. And second of all, this is why it's impossible, okay? But you can pull it off because your aim is pretty good, actually. Alright. Okay. Okay. Cuphead, just stay there, okay? Okay. Wait, what? What is going on here? What in the fuck? Oh, god damn it. Well, looks like scaring you is not gonna work, so let's try other alternatives. I forgot. Come here. Move these boxes out of the way. Did I get it? Did I get it? Oh, man! Just a little bit. Oh, come on. Oh, sucks to suck, Mario. I guess you're not getting this precious metal. Alright. Yeah. Oh, come on. This sucks. Woo, tortilla chip. Alright, another method that my mom taught me is to drink a lot of water. So, you know, start chugging, alright? Okay. Yay. Alright. I just gotta sit here and wait until he drinks his water. God damn it, what a day. It's December already. Damn, the days are going by so damn fast. Sonic Boy 54's birthday was on the 28th. Alright, I'm done. What? Yep, I'm done. Did it go away? No, it did not. Well, drinking water is clearly not gonna work. So let's go back to the bed and see other alternatives. Alright. I cannot think of any other strategies to make your hiccups go away. We just tried everything. There's nothing else. Think, Sonic. Think. Okay. I have one more strategy. So basically, just hold your breath. What? Yeah, just hold your breath. So, you know, if I don't know how the fuck that works. But yeah, just hold your breath and then the hiccups will go away. That's the last strategy my mom taught me. Okay. So yeah, if you notice that your face is turning purple, it's actually not. Because, you know, I don't know how well we're gonna pull this off. Or we might not even try it at all. Because we're on a budget. And we have to rely on free editing websites. Alright? Not even websites, fucking apps on my iPad. I edit my videos on my iPad. Yeah. So yeah, just hold your breath and hope the hiccups goes away, okay? Alright. Okay. Alright, and just stay like that until the hiccups goes away. I mean, if you cannot hold it anymore, you can breathe. Oh, god damn it. Water, IV, water, IV, water, IV, water, IV, water, IV. You're done? Yeah. Wake your ass up, boy. Wake your ass up, boy. You up? Wake up. Nap time is over. Wake your ass up. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is just lazy writing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my chest hurts. Wait, he's not having hiccups. Yeah, he's actually not having hiccups. Hey, I'm not having hiccups. We all said that at the same time. Not really at the same time. I think... I think my hiccups is away. Huh. Nice. Okay, well, I guess we fixed that. Well, I'm glad your hiccups is away, because I was running out of strategies to make your hiccups go away, and that was very annoying to do. Yep. Everything is fine now. So, what's the medical bills, doctor? Oh yeah, the medical bills. That's $100,000. $100,000. Oh god damn it! I have it now. Woo! Behind the scenes, yay! Are you fucking serious? Out of all the places that I could have hit, I had to hit right there on top of the fucking tortilla. And okay, the arrows. Ah, fine, whatever, fine. Try this shit again. Okay. Aim it right in the fucking tortilla. YouTuber shit is not easy, okay? Especially when you have to get things right. Aim at the fucking tortilla. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a new arrow and it's perfectly straight. Alright? It's not like this one where it's bendy, okay? I gotta fix everything up. This YouTube shit is not easy, okay? Okay, so yeah. And if you're wondering why don't I have apples, it's because I don't have any, and I only have tortillas because it's funny. Okay? Fucking do this shit. Alright, place the new placed arrow into the bow. This is my only weapon. Alright. Now, aim at the tortilla. And it will fucking over. That's just great. This is fun. This video is great. Alright. Aim. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this video. It sucks. Oh my god. It's gonna take a few tries. I'll take it. You know. I like how the arrow made a perfect hole in the tortilla chip. You know what? It's very fun in the video. Alright. This for special effect. That should be good. Alright, I'm done. I'm done with this bullshit. Oh wait, I did this for production. Shit! Yeah. Oh, come on! This sucks. Ooh, tortilla chip. Great. That's it, the sprite mess. I said the fucking striped cranberry mist wasn't enough. I have to clean this shit up. Great.